i35equipment.com. So today we're going to be showing you how to utilize a CAT factory hydraulic quick attach system and a CAT 315 FLRC hydraulic track excavator. This one is pretty straightforward, but if you haven't used one before, want to recommend you use safety. Recommend you don't do it around people, things, or items. Of course, these things can fall, especially if you're not familiar with them, but even if you are. Go ahead and pull it up here and show you what it looks like from the operator station, and we'll go through all the steps, and then we'll hop out and show it to you on the ground where it makes a little more sense. So your front pin or top pin is just held on by scooping, and then there's a wedge that drops down, and the bottom pin is held on by a hydraulic cylinder that just pushes back and pinches against your bottom pin. When you're in the machine, you just need to have it running and have your safety lever up. It's where you can operate the machine. You're going to be using this little switch right here. The way it works is you pull up on it. That's your safety release. And then you go to the unlock position. Your machine will start beeping at you and say, quick coupler unlock. And what we're going to do is curl the bucket. The overflow of that will be diverted to the hydraulic cylinder for the hydraulic cylinder on the bottom quick attach pin. Zoom in there, hopefully you can kind of see what's going on here. So we're curling. Now that should be fully released. We're going to uncurl. Now these quick attach systems do vary, so please read your operator's manual. We're actually ready to unscoop completely from this bucket. And then you could go onto another bucket or attachment. Go ahead and bring it up here so you can see what's happening from this position without it on there. Alright, you're going to go ahead and lock it down by just picking this back up and then flipping it over. And we'll do that once the camera is on with the quick attach system so you can see it latching back. So when you go into your safety position, that cylinder will then push back out and that just wedges across there. And that's how that goes. You see that top block, which is also red, but it's dirty right there. That flips down just to keep your front pin latched in. Your screen changes and it says your camera image is not shown because you're dealing with different tools or buckets. Just go back to your home screen. You're ready to go back to work once you're hooked up. So what we're going to do now that you've seen what actually happens here is go ahead and hook it back up to the bucket. Again, we're going to have it in the safety cradle position, which is like this. Gonna go ahead and flip the switch. Gonna curl the bucket, and now you're released. You're gonna be playing a giant game of claw machine here. Put your top pin in first and scooped under. Don't worry, even people that know what they're doing, it takes several shifts sometimes. So when you have a little free time, go out in the middle of the field, away from everyone, and practice this. You're going to do a full curl. Right now, it is not latched on, so if you were to unscoop, it would fall off. And bring it to that full safety curl position. Now I'm going to be hitting the button or switch over here, and you're going to see that that hydraulic cylinder will come back out and pinch against it when I curl the bucket back. That came all the way out. We can visually see it. This is verify the tool is locked or locking. Again, it's going to tell you can't see your camera in this position, so just use caution. There might be someone behind you. And it says select. Are we going to use a thumb or another tool? Just in case you didn't hook up to a different bucket, in case you hooked up to a hammer or something it wants to know. So test it out before you go work or go around anybody. You just take it out. And you can test it by doing a full uncurl, and it would have fallen off by now. That's how that works. We're going to hop out of the cab now and show you the view from outside. So here we are outside the machine. Just going to give you a view of what's actually happened here when you can tell that this part right here is just scooping underneath that. There is a wedge lock here, which will drop down just to ensure that it's locked in. And then on your rear pin, all that happens is this hydraulic cylinder extends the pin against the bottom pin of your bucket and then retracts to release it. Hope that video has been beneficial to you. You can always see our full and up-to-date inventory of consignment heavy machinery, attachments, trucks, trailers, and more online at i35equipment.com. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day.